Mintay has created some new cutout books. Now this is florals, and let me show you. These are, in measuring, they're 6 by 8, but because you cut them out, it kind of doesn't make any difference what size they are. But what makes a difference is how many elements you get. 788 designs are in this pad. And how do I know? Well, I counted every single one. Now you're going to get 6 different sheets as I fan these for you and let you see. By the way, they are double-sided, so if there's any area that you don't need on the front side, you do have something that you can use on the back side. And you're going to get 4 of each design. So I think we're back to the pastels. Yes, we are. So you saw all of those. So you're going to get 4 each of those, just really pretty. We do highly recommend that you use the 4.5-inch scissors when you go to cut out something like this. It just makes it so much easier. And there is also a tag book, so be sure to take a look at that. Both of them from Mintay.